Okay, first take these off.
Take it off. Take it.
You want help? Do you want some help?
Take it.
Good job. Good girl.
On your step. No, myself.
Okay, by yourself. Those might be a little hard, but you can do it.
Okay.
You gotta find a place to hold on, huh?
Let me help.
Okay, Mom will help.
No, my juice.
Okay. Are they a little tight?
Yeah.
I think we can do it. Let's see what you can do with your toes in there. See if you can toes? No? Is it too tight? How's that? Here, let's just see. Yeah, those might not be best. They're pretty though, aren't they? Okay, this one?
Okay.
Yep, we'll do it. There we go.
Toes in there.
Toes in there. Shove those toes in there. We'll get that on and that on. Okay, there we go. Oh, those are very cute. Are you showing Daddy?
Nice. Those are pretty.
Woo! Sorry, wrong one.
Did you take off the boots?
She did take off the boots. Too bad, huh?
What am I doing?
Yeah, Mama just stepped on the stubbed her heel against the drawer of stuff.
This?
What are you doing?